Alright, yo guys, welcome back to episode 3 of Road to Funded. So as you guys know from episode 2, we started trading the $5,000 phase 1 account, and we actually got that account down to about $4,850, guys. So yeah, that's about minus 3%. So yeah, essentially guys, this week I'm going to be recovering the account, and yeah, but the main goal for this week, guys, is honestly just to follow my trading plan and to just not make any mistakes and be on point with my execution. So yeah guys, I'm not going to drag on the intro for too long. And yeah guys, with that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, let's get straight into this week's trades. Alright guys, it is officially Monday. Actually it's 12:37 already, so yeah, I couldn't find any setups early morning, but I do see this buying opportunity right here on S&P 500, as you guys can see. So it'll be a nice buying opportunity to fill this massive gap that actually occurred over the weekend. So let me show you guys why I'm interested in the buys. So if you guys look here, beautiful support and resistance on the 4-hour, and let me actually put the brightness up. Yeah, so that's a very good confluence. It is bearish, however we are at a lower low and we've already reacted off of a support level, so we can definitely retrace all the way up. And more importantly, daily is actually bullish. So we were bearish and then we actually shifted bullish, and now we are retesting this support resistance level as well on the daily. And then of course on the 30-minute we see a supply zone being closed into, so that's signaling a potential reversal occurring, and we can take the beautiful buy up. Now what's really beautiful about this trade is, guys, the risk to reward. The risk to reward on this right here is potentially like a 1 to 5, almost 1 to 5. I think it's gonna be, oh yeah, about a 1 to 4.6, which is actually ridiculous. Probably more like a 1 to 4 after the spread, but yeah, it is mitigated. So that's the one negative confluence. 4-hour being at a lower low and us buying is a negative confluence for me. So yeah. If this closes like this, guys, I will be taking the buy all the way up, risking 1.5% of the account. So yeah guys. Alright guys, so yeah, I actually entered. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. I'm fully prepared for a loss if that is to be the case. Yeah guys, my mindset is fully reformed, and yeah, I'm just excited to see what the strategy can do, and if we can finally bring the account where it needs to be, and really get the series going. So it'd be really cool, guys. If this TP can hit, it would be amazing for the account. But yeah, I guess time will tell. So yeah, let's see. Right guys, so look at this. Crazy, outrageous. So yeah, there's literally nothing I could have done about it. Clearly just got stopped out. Then we had probably some massive news that spiked down and just shot back up. So yeah, this is the move that I wanted to be a part of, but unfortunately, yeah, we got stopped out. So it is what it is, guys. I can sit here and be upset and annoyed about it, but I did everything correctly. Wouldn't change a single thing. Take this trade every single time, and yeah, it just happened to work out like this. But I think next time, I'm not gonna change anything. So yeah, I guess on to tomorrow, guys, because there's no more setups. It's 6 o'clock in the evening. So yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. So yeah. Yo guys, good morning. It is Tuesday morning, so I currently see a setup on EURUSD, so I'm gonna take it right now, and yeah, I'll probably put the screen recorder up so you guys can see my entries and everything. But yeah. Oh my days, guys. Look how it just literally fell through TP. That's insane. That was a quick 1 to 3 RR. Ridiculous. What? And guys, I'll be honest, I actually have made 0 mistakes so far this week. It's only been 2 days, but I've made no mistakes. Yesterday in the S&P 500 trade that I took, guys, it actually hit TP, but obviously a wicked aside, it stopped us at, and rightly so. I didn't make any mistake, but I at least know, you know, the prediction of where I expected price to go was correct. It's just the entry was, it just didn't work out. As simple as that. I would take that setup every single time, and I know, you know, from my back testing and live testing, that if I would take that setup, you know, 5 times out of 5, it would probably win 3 out of the 5 times. And with a risk reward of 1 to 3, I'd definitely be profitable, right? So I take that setup every time. Same thing with EU today. Just beautiful execution, I'll be honest, guys. And it's not even 8 o'clock yet, and TP's been hit. So yeah, you know what, guys, I'm gonna make the decision to step away from the charts and actually just go ahead and backtest more, because it'll never hurt me, you know, if I backtest more. It's just more experience in the markets. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. We've recovered the account beautifully, back up to $5,000. Can't complain. But yeah, job's not finished, and in all honesty, the account we should have been, guys, we should have passed phase 1 by now if I just traded correctly. So yeah, I'm not overly excited, but I'm glad that we are out of drawdown. That was massive. Now we've got some momentum, so now we just got to keep pushing, guys, and, you know, keep following the plan. So yeah, so I'll probably catch you guys either later today in a clip, or tomorrow morning, or whenever we find trades. So yeah, catch you guys. So yeah, guys, it literally only allowed me to risk what was like less than 1%, which is just not ideal. So if I win, I'm gonna win less than I was supposed to. So that's a bit, you know, that's a bit annoying, but at least it actually led me into the trade. But yeah, I really don't know what's going on. I might have to contact support on that. But anyways, guys, it looks like yesterday's actually making a move down, which is good. I'll keep you guys posted. Alright, guys, so I've decided to close out the position here. Just not a fan of this rejection, in all honesty. And yeah, so looking at the daily, guys, my TP should be conservative considering daily's bullish, and we've rejected off of this support and resistance level. We've done it once, twice, now a third time. And if you look at the previous day's candle, guys, look at that rejection candle of the previous day. So it's a little bit ambitious if I'm targeting, if I'm trying to target, where is it? If I'm trying to target this wick down there, technically I should be getting out here. So yeah, unfortunately, as you guys saw, we only made like $28 from this trade because we could only risk, I think it was like 35. So that was 35, and we entered a little bit late, so we could only capitalize off of this move, which is like $20, which is nothing. So pretty much it's a break-even trade, but it's better than losing money, so we'll take that nevertheless. But yeah, I'll probably look for another opportunity, and yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Alright, guys, so yeah, so here's the current account balance, and yeah, so I'm busy talking to the support agent, which, yeah, because I need to figure out like why I couldn't enter the lot size that I wanted, because yeah, guys, I tried to enter with 1.5% risk, which is $75 per trade, I could only risk, I think it was $35, which is kind of outrageous. So I missed out. I would have had double the profit. So I just want to know why I couldn't place the lot size. So hopefully they can help me and maybe, you know, sort out the account and actually let me place the lot size, because yeah, I don't want this stuff to be happening again. And yeah, so I'll let you guys know what they say. Alright guys, so I've just entered a buy on USDT, so it's given me a clean entry here. We are into quite a lot of drawdown. Now I just took the sell, however I believe we're at a good point to now buy. So there is a negative confluence here, which is the 4 hour. 4 hour is indeed bearish and it's reacted off the support resistance level. However, what is going for me, and which is what I believe, this is how I believe today will play out, because we've already reacted off the support and resistance level on the daily. I believe today will be a bullish day. And I mean, yeah, that was the main reason I got out of the sell position, and it makes a lot of sense now that we've closed in the supply zone. It's clearly signaling to me that it's gonna buy. Will it work out like that? Maybe, maybe not. At the moment, looks like quite a lot of drawdown. Let's look at account. Yeah, so $23 a drawdown at the moment. It is what it is, of course. But yeah, I mean, guys, I'll let you guys know how it plays. Alright guys, so I've just taken this buy on GJ. Yeah, so the only issue I see with this trade here is the fact that I believe 4 hours bearish. However, it's actually at a lower low. So let me show you guys that now. So yeah, 4 hours actually bearish here, right? But it's at a lower low, and I expect it to retrace, fill this gap. And daily is indeed bullish, right? So we made a lower low, and then we broke the low with a higher high, and now we've just created the lower high, and we expect it to continue bullish. Now I may be wrong, of course. However, it's a clean risk to reward. Once again, a 1 to 3, and I believe has, you know, good potential to the upside. I can barely speak, but yeah, so we are in this trade. I've entered, and yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Yeah. Alright guys, so candle just closed like this, so you guys already know. Putting that off, time to go to gym. As you guys can see, I'ma take my ass to gym, and yeah, just gonna get a clean workout in. So I'll probably catch you guys when I'm at the gym. Alright guys, so I'm gonna check GJ quickly with you guys. Okay, yeah, looks like nothing much is happening, so I'm gonna let it cook, guys, while I'm gymming. Alright guys, we have been booked. Stop loss hit. A little bit of regret that I may have is, instead of this, a 1 to 1.1 was on the cards. Like this here was on the cards, this trade right here, because technically, according to my strategy, if we are counter trend in any time frame, whereas for example like the 4 hours counter trend, the TP needs to be as conservative as possible. By that I mean I shouldn't be targeting for a lot of, you know, risk reward. I should look for the nearest TP or place I can get out, which would have been right here at this high. So that's definitely something to go ahead and, you know, consider and think about. So yeah, just gonna think about that. And yeah, but other than that, nothing I could have done better. I don't think so. Yeah. Alright, good morning guys. It is Thursday morning and I see a beautiful setup on USDJPY. It's actually moving a bit crazy right now, but yeah, so there's a potential setup that I'm gonna take. So yeah, let me show you guys that now quickly. Oh yeah guys, I also wanted to mention to you guys a few things that I actually that I realized yesterday. So the reason we actually lost that GJ trade was, guys, I was looking for the 1 to 2s, the 1 to 3s, the 1 to 4s a bit too much. Weirdly enough, in the last in the last 4 trades, or the last 4 trade setups, I think most of them were a 1 to 3. So my mind was so focused on the 1 to 3 that yesterday, you know, the setup was counter trend, and according to my trading plan, I should have a conservative TP. I didn't do that, and yeah, I paid the price, right? It went from a winning trade to a losing trade. In the moment, I didn't say anything wrong. Looking back at it, yeah, it makes sense. It's because I was so focused on the 1 to 3s, right? And guys, my entire strategy, it works so well. 1 to 1s work so well because the win rate on them is so much higher, right? And that's just how the risk to reward game plays, right? And I think I didn't put enough respect on the 1 to 1s, and now that I remembered, okay, listen, the 1 to 1s are good, right? Because your win rate is high with them. So yeah, take them. And I don't know why I didn't think of taking a 1 to 1. So definitely I think that's going to go into consideration. But overall guys, one thing I will say this week, in terms of mistakes that I've made barely any, if any. Maybe the only mistake I made was yesterday, right? With the counter trend, with the TP placement on GBP JPY. That's probably the only mistake I made this entire week. And yeah, I mean, I feel like that's pretty good, guys. There is improvement, which love to see it. And yeah, if this USD JPY trade can hit TP, I'm busy looking at it right now. Yeah, so if this can hit TP now, yeah, we can end off the week really strongly. Tomorrow I won't be able to trade, guys, because it's NFP. I don't trade on NFP, and if this hits TP, most likely I'll be done for the day. And yeah, we would have recovered the account very close to break even again, which is that's beautiful. I'll have to say, already this week, guys, we are still 1% up on the week. We started the week at 4,840 it was, and now we're at 4,890. So we're still up 1% in the week, which is always good. But yeah, hopefully this is TP. Come on now. Alright guys, just entered into the gold trade. Yeah, so I'm currently in a little bit of drawdown, but yeah, so I'm in the 2 trades now, UJ and gold. We'll see how they play out. So, yeah. Okay guys, I'm considering actually getting out of this trade early, which technically is breaking my trading plan because I shouldn't close it. However, I'm just not a fan of the position. Guys, look how powerful that daily closed. You know, just no signs of rejection. I don't know if I should be in this trade. Right guys, looks like I was completely correct in getting out of the trade early. You know, the more I look at this trade, the more I really shouldn't have got into it in the first place. It's a shame that I lost the $15 or $16. If I saw it earlier, I wouldn't have even entered. But hey, it's a good thing that I realized, eventually, and I got out somewhere there with a $16 loss instead of a $75, $80 loss. So yeah, that's the one thing. So I'm at least happy about that. And yeah, guys, and also looking at the gold trade, it looks like it was a win. Completely happy in not entering this position, by the way. I mean, guys, look at the 30-minute. Look at the head and shoulders. Yeah, 4 hour here was clearly at a higher high. We had a engulfing candle here. Looks like we are going to continue going down. So as I said, technically valid. Only negative confluence is the 4 hour higher high. I got out, yeah, you know, the daily as well. This top week, didn't really like it. There's a few things I didn't like about it, but yeah. So yeah, guys, I really wanted to mention this one fact. So, you know, it is Thursday. Yeah, it's Thursday, 4 o'clock. I'm done trading for the week. And, you know, I was just considering now if I should even post episode 3, considering we still had the same account balance. But I'm definitely going to post it because, guys, this is actually a massive turning point. We are officially, this is the first profitable week in this road to funded journey, which is actually massive if you think about it, because it's like the turning point, right? The previous 2 episodes we were we lost money, we were unprofitable. This is the first week we've ended it more, even if it's $12 more, we ended it off more than the starting balance of the week. And that is something, it's something to note, and it's something to, I won't say be happy about, because, you know, job's not finished. I'll keep saying that, the job's not finished, but it is an improvement, and it's an improvement nonetheless. And yeah, guys, so with that being said, thank you for watching all the way until the end. And that's been episode 3, guys. I'll see you guys in episode 4 of Road to Funded. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you guys next week.